Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are actually filming the finale for the 5 products, 5 uses project, and I know that I just started this project, but for a bit I did enjoy it, but now it seems like a chore and I don't want that. So let's talk about the product. Let's talk about what I did learn for this project, that it was very quick and small, but it was a bit fun nonetheless. I have the Oden's eyeshadow, and this eyeshadow, it is a bit of a reason for me filming the finale. I used it today for the second time. This has been in the project for a bit, I think maybe a month or even more. I just don't want to reach for it. It is what it is. I'm not wearing eyeshadow too often, and if I am doing something, it's just not this one. So because of that, I used it only 2 times, and that's okay. I don't need to use all my eyeshadows all the time. I will keep it. It is a beautiful eyeshadow and everything. It's just that I don't like forcing myself to use it for this project. So next I have the Nabla lipstick, and I used this one 3 times, which is great, but it's too bright for me. I like something neutral right now. So again, I love the formula of this one. I want to keep it in my collection. It is a nice addition to my collection. If I want a red bold lipstick, I have it in an amazing formula. This is the shade Heatwave Clay from Nabla. I can't recommend you this shade and this product enough because it is great, but I'm not wearing a bold lip, and yeah, there is no point in me again forcing myself to use it. And similar to that, maybe it is just a combination of these 3 products, the Physicians Formula eyeliner. I used this one once in this project, and right now I think I will not repurchase this product again. Don't get me wrong, I did repurchase this like 5 times or something like that. The eyeliner itself, 11 out of 10. Do I wear eyeliner right now? No. I don't like it. I don't like how it looks on my eyes. Today, as you can see, I do have an eyeliner on, but it is from eyeshadows. This is the type of eyeliner I will wear and I would wear, so there is no point in me having a black full pigment eyeliner in my collection, because if I want a wing, I have black eyeshadow, I have black eyeliner even in the pencil format. Next, the fragrance from the project, it is this one. It is the hair mist from Atyab. Again, let me butcher this name again. Atyab Al Marshoud. Yes, that's the name. I think it is correct actually. This is a hair mist. I used this one 3 times, and that is a lot actually for this hair mist because it is very, very strong. I love it. It is perfect for this time of year because it is very, very gourmand and pretty heavy, so it is nice in the more colder months. So I think I will use it a lot more, but not in this project. And lastly, I used this one twice. It is the Tutti Frutti body butter. This with caramel and cinnamon, lovely. I did enjoy this product. It is great, but again, I had a lot of times where I was, let me apply this one, but then I was, no, I don't want to, because I'm lazy sometimes and I should apply body creams a bit more often at least, but I'm lazy. It is what it is. I will try my best to still use this product a bit more, but yeah, not in this project. So overall, what did I learn? I learned that projects are fun. Of course, it is very nice to try something new, but if that something new is not adding joy, or it's just pressuring you, because that is what I feel. I feel like, why do I have this project if I'm not doing that good at it? I'm not doing so much progress. why do I have it? It is pressuring me. I see those products every day on my vanity and it is just, I do have anxiety, so this project was creating just a bit more, and really I don't need that in my life. And even if it is just a small thing like this, why bother? I want projects that excite me. The normal project pen, I've been doing it for, I don't know, 3 years, and it is still exciting. I am so excited to just film the new update and film the close-ups and stuff like that and use the products. So I don't need this project, and that's the reason this is the last video of it. I do have actually a new idea for next year. It is totally different, but stay tuned. I do want to start a new type of project, but it's not product based, it's actually low-buy based. So I am excited about that, and yeah, let me know down below what you think about this project and what you think about me ending it so fast, because like I said, it is fun to try new things, but we don't need to be stressed about makeup. So yeah, if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.